Howdy y'all, welcome back to the channel. In the past couple of videos, I've been doing an overview of OBS and how to set up a live stream to YouTube through a broadcasting software. If you want to see those videos, they're linked in the description below. Today, I'm going to show you a really easy and foolproof way to live stream to YouTube without the need for any special software, and this can be done from any desktop or laptop. This is actually what I've been using in our church live streams because it's really simple and it's hard to go wrong. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so here we are on my desktop. The first thing that we need to do is through any web browser, go to youtube.com. So I'm going to open Firefox here. I'm just going to go to youtube.com. So when you get to YouTube, you first want to make sure that you're logged in to the account through which you want to stream here. When you're logged in, you will see in the upper right-hand corner a create icon. If you click this, there's an option to go live. And so if I click go live, this will take me to the YouTube studio. At the YouTube studio page, there are a couple different options. You can see on the left here, we have an option to stream. This is what you would use as I did before when we connected to a streaming or broadcasting software like OBS. However, there's also an option to use just a webcam. And so if I click webcam, it'll bring up this dialog box right here. And here I can enter a title and all the appropriate information for my test stream. So we're going to call this just test stream. You again have the option to make it public, unlisted, or private. If it's an unlisted video, then anyone with the link can view. And of course, if it's private, then it's just for your purposes. I'm just going to put it as unlisted for the purposes of this test. You can always schedule the live stream to be viewable later. So I could set a future date here. One important thing to note when scheduling for later, this does not automatically start the live stream later. Like, you will still have to come back and start your live stream. But we're going to go ahead and just go live right now. There's a couple other options here that you can set up for. So it'll ask you if you have multiple cameras, which camera you want to use, which microphone you want to use. I only have my webcam and my Samsung mic connected right now, so it recognizes that. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. It's going to get a thumbnail to use for the video. It will take a picture currently based on your webcam, but you also have the option to upload a custom thumbnail. So I have a couple pictures. So I have a couple pictures here that I can use for thumbnails. Let's just take this one. And now we are set to go. And so you can see that the go live button here is selected or is highlighted in blue. And so if I just go ahead and hit go live, then it'll take a second, but it'll show you what's coming through your camera, and then it will go live. And so it says, see, here we are, we're live. And it'll give you a little bit of information at the top. So it shows you a counter for how long you have been live for. It'll show you if you have any people viewing. It'll show you the likes that you get. And that's basically all you have. And I happen to have my camera on a tripod, so I could change the viewing angle. And that's it. It's really a very simple process. And we're just going to hit end stream to just terminate the live feed. So there you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. It's a very simple process. Anyone can do it. You can set up your own live stream in a matter of minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked what you saw, go ahead, give it that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment down below, and remember to go out and kindle and enlighten.